And we are back with another video. All right, guys, it's your boy Young P-Town back in the building with another video. Shout out to Money Run Clothing. Gotta show this off. I was wearing this today. So shout out to Money Run. Thank y'all for the shirt. I appreciate it. So, without further ado, y'all see the title of the video. So this is a countdown of my favorite 14s. Shout out to McFly KOF because he did his video first. And so I was just like, let me follow suit, try and be like the big homie. So my list is going to be, similar to his. It's going to start from my least favorite to my favorite pair of 14s. So without further ado, we're going to start right now. And I got 9 pairs. So my least favorite 14 coming up right now. So here we go. Wow. So these right here, I don't know if they have a nickname or not, but these are like the Graphite 14s. I like these. I like 14s a lot. I got a decent amount of 14s, but yeah, these would be my least favorite right here. I think I got these for like $112 or something like that because I was still working with Champ, so I was able to get these on discount. But yeah, I think these are very underrated. I like the color scheme on them, but yeah, these would be my least favorite right here. So yeah, the Graphite 14s. And all right, the next one, wow, got these boys right here. These are the UNC University Blue 14s right here. These need to come back out ASAP. Jordan brand. I need a new pair. These are from 05. Yeah, 05. So yes, I need a new pair. These are still in decent condition. I grabbed these off eBay probably like maybe 2-3 years ago now. I got these for $80. $80, guys. And these are in pretty good condition still. Like the paint is not even chip. It's starting to chip right here. You can't even see that because it looks like it looks like just crinkle, but yeah, it's starting to chip right there. But yeah, we're looking at a very old shoe right here. So we're looking at what, a 15-year-old shoe? Like these right here are dope. These definitely need to come back out. So yeah, or a 14-year-old shoe. So that is that. So my next pair right here. Wow. The Laney Lows. Laney Lows right here. Paid full price for these. These were a must. Like, I've always liked these. Like, when they first dropped, I couldn't get them. So this is a dip back into my childhood right here. Grabbing these boys for the win. Yeah, like these are hard. These are definitely hard. Head turners when you wear these boys. These are nice. As you see, I keep my shoes clean. I wear my kicks, but I keep them clean. These are dope. All right, so that's 3 down. So we're at what? I got 9 pairs. So we're at 9, 8, 7. So number 6 right here. Wow. The reverse Ferraris. Like I said, these are dope. This highly slept on shoe in my opinion. I definitely think if you can cop them, you might want to cop them now because a few years down the line, these are going to be hard to get and the prices are going to go up. And I'm not about paying high resale. I don't do that. So I'm glad I got these now. But yeah, these are number 6, the reverse Ferraris. So now we getting in that top 5. And my top 5 right here. Bow, the Thunder boys. The Thunder 14s, fire. These are fire. Fire shoes. I remember when these came out. I want to say it was 2014. And like these had sat online. These were very easy to get. Now these shoes, dead stock, going for like close to 300. It's like 280. And I was actually shocked by that, because these sat like nobody wanted these, and people don't like 14s from what they say. So I guess it's just because it got that Thunder name. So now people want to, you know, hold value. And I had bought like 2 pairs of these. I wish I'd have held on to them, because I would have been able to make a serious profit now than what I did when I caught 2 pairs in 2014. But yeah, these are fire. So these are number 5. So number 4. Oh, these. Bow. The last shots. Ain't really nothing to be said about the last shots, man. Y'all already know the last shoe that Jordan wore in the Bull when he was playing for the Bulls, man. Hit that shot against the Utah Jazz, and these boys, fire. This pair right here is the 2011 pair. Paid $50 for these. Stale from an outlet. Got these boys for $50. We had a half off. They were going for 100. Got them for $50 during the half off. Can't beat it. All right. So number 3, top 3. What can it be? Bow! Got them cherry boys. Like I told y'all in my review, this is a grail of mine. I missed out in 2011. I wasn't missing out again. So these were a must-have. Top 3 shoe. I said that in my review. You know, if you want to see my review on foot of these, I'll link it in the ad card above. But yeah, these were a must. Cherry 14s. These are dope. Fire right here. So number 2. Bow! The red Ferraris. Red Ferraris, they speak for themselves. Very hype 14. When these dropped, everybody wanted these things. I had to have them. Red is one of my favorite colors. This red with the subtle hints of yellow, it's fire, man. It's fire. So I was just like, I gotta get it. Was able to get them. Shout out to my boy Carl. He was able to pick these up for me. And yeah, man, these are fire. So these are number 2. And my favorite 14, best 14 hands down in my opinion. Bow! The black toes. Fire 14. This is, in my opinion, the best 14 out there. These right here are mean. Love these 14s right here. One of my favorite 14s. I wish I would have the original pair, but I will settle for this pair right here that came out. I believe these came out in 2014 too. Pay full price for these. There was no way I was missing out on these. So I had grabbed these up for the full retail price. So yes, that is all my 14. So let me know in the comment section, what is your favorite pair of 14s if you rock with 14s? And out of my collection, what do you think was the best pair of 14s that I showed today? Scream at me in the comments. You know, like I said, if you like what I'm doing, like my videos, share my videos, and subscribe to the channel. And we are out of here, guys. Woo! Bow! Peace!